Hi, this is your boy Jeremy. In today's video, we will introduce you our bottle jacks and toe jacks. Bottle jacks are one of the cheapest jacking solutions out there while providing high jacking capacity of up to 100 tons. We offer two ranges in our lineup, an economical type and a premium type. Premium type is designed with chrome plating to prevent it from rusting and to last longer. They also come with different heights and sizes to suit in different working environment. These here are toe jacks. They are hydraulic jacks designed with toes. The toes have a very low profile, allowing it to enter into a very low gap environment. It can lift up to 25 tons at the toe and the head, so you can use the head to jack it if needed. These two are actually of a different design, with this having a 360 body design, allowing it to be more versatile in different and unique jacking situations. So hit us up, don't be shy, let us know your requirement, and we will offer you the best solution possible. See you in the next video.